Hello, my friends. Kari and I are going to be working together on this 8 by 24 inch canvas with the Chameleon pour. We're going to do a cool side and a warm side. Kari's going to do the cool side because she's so cool, and I'll do the warm side because I'm hot. And Kari came up with this amazing idea to use a scalp massager with all these points on it to start our Chameleon pour. So we're going to give that a shot and see how that works. We'll just put a couple in each half, and then we'll work around it with the toothpick. So we're using the Artist Loft Ready to Pour paints. Again, we did make a couple of mixes. We just darkened and lightened some of the colors, but I'll detail it all down below for you. So we're going to fill up the cups, and we'll speed this part up. Okay. All right, my friends, we have filled up our cups and we're ready to flip.
Where should I put it?
Let's flip. Wait. Oh, it's going to be tricky doing two at a time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's do one at a time. Start it here and move it there. And then I'll think about it. You're on my half.
Sorry. Do you want to? Oh,
no, that's fine. That's fine.
Mix.
I'm going to flip mine too. Okay. Flip for that. I'm right-handed. No wonder that felt. I'm left-handed. Okay. And now we will release. Ooh, pretty. Oh, looky that. Oh, it's going to be great. I think that's enough paint, don't you?
Well, I don't know.
Sorry. John didn't go out yet, did he?
John?
Yeah. I think he left.
Do you want me to let it in?
No.
It's a cat.
I don't know if it's a cat or the dog, and either way, we don't want fur in here. What if it was Betty? She might need to go outside. Be right back. Nope, it's a cat.
No cats allowed.
All right. All right, look at this. Pretty.
Yeah.
So I'm going to move this out of the way. So I'm going to tilt. I'm taking over Kari's side, but I'll bring it back. Kind of wonderful, just like this, isn't it?
What is that big glob in there?
Oh, might be, I don't know, I might have to fish that out before there's a couple of them. That's my new cat, my friends.
Oh, that looks pretty.
Yeah, it looks, I don't hate to disturb it.
That is massive.
That's about even, huh?
Yeah, do you want me to slide that?
I was just gonna, yeah, sure. I was gonna try a toothpick, but if you can get it with that.
It's just really thick paint.
Oh, okay.
But it's very, I mean, or use your toothpick, see what you think. Don't trip, You just
Oh, it
dripped.
Let's leave it alone.
Okay.
Whoops, look at my chair. My chair just
Oh no.
sank down for no reason. I don't know why it does that. Okay. Yes, take the gloves off. I could have taken the gloves off before I tried to fish that out.
Saw that coming. Might be something in there, but I just.
Yeah.
I think it's that copper. That copper's really thick.
Mm. I'll try one more time. Now my hands are clean. Where is it? Like, it's right. I don't know which part of it is.
You want to come on this side and look at it?
I mean, I could see. Yeah, I think it's just thick paint. We're gonna work with it. Okay, now, Kari, do you want to have the honors of?
Should we just do like 3?
Whatever you think. Yeah, maybe so. Look at that, folks. Oh, I wonder if it needs refreshing.
Like that. Should I do one more?
Whatever you think.
All yours.
All right, now we're going to clean it off in here a little bit. Look at that. That's fun. And now Kari's going to get to work filling in the rest. We'd like to leave it like this, except these outer ones continue to grow, and we think. So this is it. It's a scalp massager by CHRISTINEJ that Kari found on Amazon if you're interested. And we'll speed this part up. The first one is perfect. Okay, I'll start talking. Voila, my friends. Look at that. That was really fun. We have a little mixing here that's unavoidable where the two come together, and that's the drip I did. But nice contrast, especially on the cool side. I'm very happy with it. I think it's great. I don't know if it's because Halloween's coming, but this reminds me of candy corn. So, bravo, Kari. This thing was a fun little addition to the pour. I think you might like to give it a shot. Get you started anyway with perfect circles.
Yeah, I did see some that were square shaped and hexagonal shaped.
Yeah, all different.
Scalp scrubbers.
Scalp scrubber, I think.
Scalp
or
massager.
Yeah.
Oh, they are.
It's something to do with the scalp. All different shapes. So yeah, we may experiment further, but for now, I think we've ended up with a really lovely piece, and I'm going to have to cut it in half, send that half home with you, or vice versa. I'll keep yours. Anyway, there we go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed that. Kari's leaving today, so I'm sad about that, but we've had such fun, and I know it won't be our last get together. So thank you for watching, my friends, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.